Hello everyone. Hello guys. I hope all of you doing well and fine. So I welcome you back to our next question of IOQM 2021-22 solutions. So guys, in this video we are going to see the eighth question of IOQM 2021. So guys, let's see the question. It's quite an easy one based on algebra and the properties of function. Okay. All right. Let's see guys. So guys, just one request. If you guys are finding these videos useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also please do recommend our channel to your friends and relatives whoever is preparing for IOQM, and rather, inform them about IOQM also. All right. So guys, let's see the question. For any real number t, let this greatest integer function t denote the largest integer less than equal to t. So guys, this symbol denotes greatest integer function, right? So this is another way of writing it, floor function, as we know it. So guys, suppose that n is the greatest integer such that this equation is held true, right? ये इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए. ऐसा n का लार्जेस्ट इंटीजर जो है वो n है, right? Suppose that n is the largest integer which satisfies it. We have to find the sum of digits of n. Okay, let's start solving this guys. It is quite an easy one. तो गाइज देखो, ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइज. इसमें किस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज हो रहा है? द थिंग इज, if you know that greatest integer of x, let me tell you the property first, then we'll use it. Otherwise the question is very easy. So guys, if somebody says that greatest integer of x is, let's say, 2, right? The point is, for what values of x the greatest integer will give you the value 2. So as we know guys कि 2 और 3 के बीच में जो भी वैल्यू होंगी उसका greatest integer 2 होता है ना? So that means the solution set for this would be x belongs to closed interval 2 to 3 open. Because अगर आपने 3 को इंक्लूड कर लिया, 3 पे तो 3 हो जाएगा ना. So including 2 but not including 3. So this would be the solution, right? So this is what is to be used in this particular question. That's it. तो बार बार यूज करना है गाइज. लेट्स सी. तो गाइज यहाँ पे हमें दिया हुआ है कि ये वैल्यू 4 के इक्वल है. So that means guys, the quantity inside the greatest integer function, this value, है ना, this value must belong to 4 to 5, right? Or I can write it this way, that square root of, it's quite so many square roots, square root of greatest integer. Okay, I'll write it like this. Again a square root of square root, and again a greatest integer, and then root n. Right? This, another this. Right? This is the question. So now guys, this should be less than equal to, less than 5. क्योंकि ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर की वैल्यू 4 है गाइज. इसका मतलब जो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर के अंदर का पोर्शन है, दैट शुड लाई फ्रॉम 4 क्लोज टू 5 ओपन, मीनिंग लाइक दिस. दिस इज हाउ वी विल राइट इट, राइट? नाउ गाइज, हाउ डू वी रिमूव द स्क्वायर रूट? बाय स्क्वायरिंग दिस इनइक्वालिटी. इफ वी स्क्वायर इट, विल गेट 16 लेस देन इक्वल टू floor function of square root of n, right? So floor function, floor closed, and this. So guys, this becomes 25, है ना, squaring up. Now guys, now what does it say? The greatest integer of something is between 16 and 25. 25 open है लेकिन, है ना, the 25 value is open, right? तो अब गाइस 25 या 25 से छोटा होना चाहिए, राइट? तो अब इसके अंदर का वैल्यू कहां से कहां लाई करना चाहिए, है ना? किसी चीज का ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर 16 से लेके 25 ओपन के बीच में होना चाहिए. सो ऑफ कोर्स दैट वैल्यू, मीनिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ फ्लोर ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ n, नाउ मस्ट लाई बिटवीन 16 पे क्लोज्ड है ना, तो 16 तो होना ही चाहिए, बट इट इज लेस देन 25 गाइज. यहां पे हमें समझना है कि 25 डालेंगे या 26 डालेंगे. सो ऑफ कोर्स 25 ओपन, है ना. लेस देन 25 का मतलब क्या है गाइज? देखो, लेस देन 25 इज इक्वल टू लेस देन इक्वल टू 24, क्योंकि ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर की वैल्यू तो इंटीजर है ना. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज ग्रेटेस्ट और लेस देन इक्वल टू 24 एज वेल. बट अगेन 24 इंक्लूड अगर हो रहा है, विल गो अप टू ओपन 25. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज स्टिल द सेम, राइट? सो 25 ओपन ही आएगा. अंडरस्टूड गाइस? Now again we have to remove the square root. Okay, just a second. So now guys we have to remove the square root. So क्या करेंगे फिर से squaring. So 16 square is 256 is less than equal to floor function of root n. Now the expression is floor function of root n less than 25 square. So that is 625. Right? Now guys you are getting the pattern. This is happening again and again. अब तो बार बार होता जा रहा है. Again guys root of n finally should be between 256. We can simply remove the greatest integer function now. है ना, less than 625 का square. Oh, sorry, 625 only. Now guys squaring both sides. Now we have to square it the last time to get the values of n. So guys finally squaring both sides we'll get 256 का square है ना less than 625 का square. So guys do keep it in mind यहाँ पे equality नहीं है 625 के square के साथ. Now the question is that n is the greatest integer, largest integer which satisfies this inequality. What will be that? है ना? So largest n क्या होगा? That should be 625 का square जो value आएगी, right? -1 because 625 का square तो आप नहीं put कर सकते हो, but आपका जो n है उससे छोटा होना चाहिए 625 के square से. So you just subtract 1 from it to get the largest n, right? So now guys let me see what is the 625 square. Okay, just let me calculate it. So guys this value is 390. This is going to be 390625 minus 1. Okay, so the value would be 390624. So that is the value of the largest n, है ना? 390624. Now the question is to find the sum of digits. Okay, so let me do it here. So sum of digits. Okay, मैं इसकी values को थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर देता हूँ. Okay, so what is the sum of digits guys? देखो 3 plus 9 you can add it up. 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 6 18 plus 2 20 plus 4 24, right? So the sum of digits must be 24. Okay, so let me just confirm. Yeah, so the correct answer is 24 guys. Okay, so the final answer that you should mark would be 24. Okay guys, so quite an easy one if you understand कि pattern क्या है और चल क्या रहा है इसमें कि greatest integer का क्या काम होगा and squaring करने पे क्या हो जाएगा. Squaring is easy part but taking the greatest integer that is the important part, है ना? Alright guys, I hope you guys understood this question and it was an easy one actually. So बहुत easy 3 marks आपको मिल सकते हैं ऐसे एग्जाम में अगर आता है तो, right? Okay guys, thank you. That's it from my end. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and all the best guys. Take care. Bye bye.